Hi, welcome back. Here in this practical exercise, we would be learning instance of keyword that help us identify relationship between classes and objects. So let's start. Here we need to just write a class here. Let us create a class animal, provide a parenthesis, and we can create a class of different traits. We have a class mammal that extends animal class. Mammal is a child or subset of animal. Similarly, we could create different methods, constructors, or arguments in each class. Then we can create another class as well, say public class cat that extends mammal. This is the main class here because we have made it public. Now let us create a public static void main, the main block, and create objects of those classes, animal, mammal, and cat. And with the objects, we could identify whether any object is an instance of which class. We could check. The instance of object is useful in case when we have a long number of classes and a large number of objects being created and we have a certain confusion and we want to verify it or for any obvious reason we could use this thing. Here we create a different object for different classes. A for animal, M for mammal class, and here we have an object for this main class, the cat. C equals to new cat. C is the object of the cat class. And when say we have used a different methods or different things here in the program, and we get confused of which method is for what, which object is belongs to what class, we can check. Here, when we print a system or println M instance of animal, it will check whether M is instance of animal or not. And we can also verify for different things. C is instance of mammal or not. Actually, C is an instance of cat, so it must not be true. And we can write another string, system out println C instance of cat or animal, as you can say. So let us execute this code and check what is being appearing on the screen. It is showing true, true, true. So M is an instance of animal because M is an object for mammal and mammal is a child class of animal. So M can access animal. C is an instance of mammal. Actually, C is an object for cat and cat is a child class of mammal. So it is true. And also for animal because it follows multi-level inheritance. So we can verify that thing. If inheritance was not there, it could not be identified as well.